Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Netflix subscription plan. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you upgrade your Netflix plan, the changes take effect immediately and you'll be billed a prorated amount for the current month. To change your Netflix plan, you can open the Netflix app on your iPhone or Android device, or you can visit netflix.com in a browser. Inside the app, tap on My Netflix in the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Account. Here you'll see limited account information, but you won't be able to change your plan directly within the app. To proceed, tap on This is what Netflix provide you, which will redirect you to the Netflix website. On the page that opens, choose Manage Account or Sign In if prompted. Once you sign in to your account, make sure you stay on the website version and do not tap Open App. After signing in, you'll see the Change Plan option. Tap on it and you'll be able to choose between plans such as Standard with Ads, Standard, or Premium 4K, depending on whether you want to upgrade or downgrade. Once you select your desired plan, scroll down and tap the Continue button to confirm the change. Keep in mind that if you're downgrading, the change will apply after your next billing cycle, since you've already been charged for the current month. From that point forward, you'll be billed at the new price and receive the features of your selected plan. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change Netflix subscription plan. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.